Hi everyone. Right, this is the latest offering we have for you. This vehicle is coming in part exchange against a new Turas, a repeat order for a Turas. So this is a 2015, as you can see, Turas 700S. That's on an Iveco chassis, Iveco 70C17, which means 170 horsepower, and it's a 7.2 ton chassis. It's a 29-seater with courier and driver, fully air conditioned, and it's obviously a Turas 700. So we sell these, we really like them, really nice quality. You've got side lockers here and here where the battery lockers and electrics is. Got really good tyres, new tyres on the front, Falken tyres, Michelin's about 70-80% on the back. Got rear emergency door with lots of room, and then we go to the boot area, which is the big thing about the Turases that we sell, is the amount of boot space you have. Now then, look at that for an Iveco small coach, absolutely massive. And the newer ones, they've been much cleverer and there's even more space. So as you can see, it's in very good condition. It's believed to have had a recent respray. It was done before we got it in part exchange, to be fair to the operator. It's got another big side locker here, and alloy wheel trims on there. Now it's got a retarder as well, so some of the Ivecos come with a retarder. I've road tested it, drives really well, and the retarder works in all notches. Now, if we go inside, it's manual 6-speed, which means maybe put some people off, however, much simpler, less things to go wrong. And also there's the retarder stalk. It's only done 306,000 kilometers from new, and also it's Euro 6. So that's Euro 6 going into London, Birmingham, wherever you need to go, Bath. Reverse camera, as you can hear, the radio works, the microphones all work. The aircon, it's auto cleaner. That's been fully serviced by us, that fully works. So that's all been done. Got the nice Noone maquette on there, the ones that Noone use a lot on their vehicles. It's still on some of the new ones now. Spare key, that's the IVA certificate. 3-point belts. The seats that Noone use are really good and robust, easy to get parts for as well if need be, but we don't need much, to be honest with you. So there we go, 3-point belts. It's really clean, no seat back tables or anything to worry about. We can put a carpet in it if somebody wants. We've got somebody who can make a carpet for the centre aisle and the steps if somebody wants it. As you can see, it's a really clean and tidy vehicle. Perfect vehicle for a run around on local school contracts, private hires, airport transfers. And being the Iveco, it's going to be very good on fuel. It's the 3-litre Iveco engine, which is a really good engine, to be fair. And the older types tend to be less hassle, I would say. So to recap, 2015 Iveco 70C17, 170 horsepower, Noone Turas 700 29-seat Midicoach. Thank you.